Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by completing a concise pre-drive checklist focused on safety and performance. Check tire pressure at 32 psi front and 36 psi rear before spirited driving, inspect tread and sidewalls for cuts, and ensure wheel lug nuts are torqued to factory spec. Confirm oil level and coolant are correct to avoid overheating under load, and verify brake fluid is fresh and pads show at least 4 mm thickness. Adjust mirrors, seat, and steering column so you achieve a balanced seating position and full pedal travel without leg extension strain. Begin driving by selecting the appropriate mode. Set drive select to dynamic for firmer suspension and faster throttle response, or comfort for daily smoothness. With the RS6 in dynamic, moderate throttle inputs yield immediate torque from the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. For controlled acceleration, use the right paddle to upshift and the left paddle to downshift for engine braking on descents. When using launch control, bring the engine to 4,500 RPM, hold the brake firmly, then release the brake while flooring the throttle. But engage launch control at 4,500 RPM only on dry surfaces if permitted. Approach corners with a plan. Brake early and use progressive pressure to avoid ABS intervention, then trail brake gently into turn-in while keeping steering input smooth. Balance throttle and steering to manage torque vectoring in corners. Apply steady throttle through apex to stabilize the rear and let all-wheel drive distribute torque. On high speed, runs cool brakes with gentle pulls after each hard session to prevent fade, and park for a 10-minute cool down if temperatures spike. For stops, use firm, straight braking and avoid aggressive steering.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.